Oh no. YouTube down. We're good now? Hopefully we're good now. Virtual machine name. Arch. VM. Location. Two processors, 6 cores. Turn it up a little bit. Hopefully YouTube is working again. Give the guest OS. Yo, Nat, welcome back. Do I want to use a Nat or bridge? This is try 2. Bridge is safer. Give the guest operating system access to those computers. Arch VM, Nat versus bridged. Okay, we want to use bridge. Give us 150. Single file. Mount. Fire up. Fire up. Yeah, that's fine. We don't want speech. We want regular install. Let me see. Tell him. Alright, so we need to enable dynamic host because we need an IP address, and then we can validate from time. If it can reach out and grab the correct time. To install Arch Linux, follow the installation guide for Wi-Fi. Authenticate to the wireless network using the mobile broadband installation guide. Okay, I got the commands right here. So systemctl enable dhc pcd ens33.service, which is our point. PCD. This is from our notes earlier when we had set this up prior. Here we go. Alright, now, Arch install. Not throwing this. See, and that's how we know we're connected to the internet. Let's abort real quick, and let's do fdisk-l. Alright, sweet. Nothing. There's nothing. So what that means, we're gonna do the exact same thing before. Best effort. ext4 because we're running on Linux, and ext4 is designed for that. Do we want a separate partition for a home? Yeah. And look at that, we got 150 gigs to work with. I do want disk encryption, but I don't want to do that right now. Root password. Profile. Desktop XFCE4 per our mans who was helping us out. Shout out JJ, I think it was, who suggested that. Brody. Hardest CTF you ever did. 1 or 2 dongles for what, Nat? Oh yeah, I have one. Endeavor OS or Garuda Linux. What are those? Is those are those profiles? Or no? Or CTF. McGregor, bro, thinks he's the one. If I can get this, damn right. Additional packages, Firefox. Xorg also. Let's save directory and home because we did partition. Install. Oh, no errors this time. I knew it. That was why, because last time I did the manual partition and it overlapped because I'm pretty sure I had the start. The start was fine, but I ended overlapping at the start of the home directory. I had boot and home overlapping. Nice. Let's go. actually, so it's a two-part stream now because when I was torrenting the ISO image for Linux, it completely sucked up all bandwidth. Let's go. The hardest thing is figuring out those commands. That DHCP one was whack. Okay. Falling table. Yeah, that's what's nice too, is I don't have to worry about port forwarding unbridged. That was a pain in the butt. I couldn't get my website running on, well, even for the, cause I had my site running on my PC before in a VM, and I ran it on that, and I had to port forward. That was interesting to try and figure out. It's a good struggle. Nice. We're running Arch. Won't believe a while ago as a no-lifer, you tried installing Arch. What happened? Didn't work? You gotta try harder, brother. Okay, now the X-Horde's coming in. That was a good package. And Firefox. This will be interesting. Classic. Let's go. That was a lot more fluid than the first time. Can we see this? Growing? Now it's just a waiting game. Would you like to CH root? That's a good question. That's on here. Change root into the new system. Yes. Post. Whoa. 121 gigabytes available. That's awesome. And the root directory is 15 gigs. All right. Creating. All right, well now we need to set up a GUI, right? We have a new user. Pac-Man. Mirror status. Hardware should be auto-detected. Mirror microcode. I installed Xorg. What? Oh. Restart? Reboot? Running in chroot. Now what? Make sure you enable the display manager. System CTL enable light VM. System CTL enable network manager. That's fine actually, I don't need network manager because I'm running off bridge connection. There we go. What? Alright, we'll also have to create another user. Oh my gosh, let's go. We have Arch. We need to create user. Let's see, Arch Linux, create new sudo user. Let's go. Alright. Arch Wiki. So let's currently, to add a new user, okay. User add, okay, so it's the same as Ubuntu. Login shell. The password for a new created user must then be defined using password. Actually, yeah, let's see. I thought I created a user. Apparently not. Okay. User add dash or wait, what was it? User add dash ag. Actually, we'll say groups. Group. Okay. User add dash dash g sudo. Does it have to be root? Oh no. We gotta delete. Okay. User del dash r back in the D. Process? Yeah. No. Oh, kill dash 975. Killed. User del dash r back in the D. So user mod or user add. Password back in the D. Let's switch user. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Alright. I believe this is XFCS4 desktop end. XFCE. It is. Let's see. Fractional scaling support. Alright. What was I looking for? I want to get that. Display. Internet. Video.
É desse jeito, só leva chifre quem não faz a coisa direito. É desse jeito,
How's browser look on here? Nice. We got Firefox. This is fluid too. Power hotkeys. Whoa. What? Okay. Control Shift T, new terms. Alright, so it's all pretty similar. What up, Thierry? Yeah, honestly, I really just wanted to set it up and walk through it. I do really like. I did enjoy figuring out the whole file system and mounting. I've had to do it a few times before on mine because I have 2 HDDs and an SSD, so I had to figure out partitioning before. So it was interesting distinguishing between my setup, which is this, because I have SDA, which is a 3 terabyte HDD, SDB 3 terabyte, and then SDC, which is an SSD, or yeah. So it was interesting because last night I also moved my Kali VM that was taking up my entire SSD drive. Pretty much, it's 80 gigs. So I moved that over to the SDB2. So I learned partitioning. So I partitioned 1.5 terabytes for this mount, which handles a lot of old documents from my mother, because she didn't have anywhere else to store them, and that's a lot of information. And then I also did here. So I also now have a virtual machine, which is nice because now I was able to partition 150 gigabytes to each of these. So now Arch has 150 gigs and Kali has 150 gigs, where before I had it at 80, but that took about 2 hours last night to format those drives and move everything to get ready for this morning. Yes, what up, Gator? Name of the keyboard, I'll type it in right now. 61. Royal 61. RK61. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. This is interesting. I need to figure out how to get that classic Arch terminal. Well, I'll be right back. Actually, just so I don't waste timing, I'm just going to get off real quick, and then I'll be back on in like an hour. I just want to get some stuff done. Always using VM Workstation. The fluidity on my VMware was terrible. Since then I switched to VirtualBox. Checked out all the settings, everything seemed fine. For a reason, VirtualBox seemed way more fluid. Do you have the red switches too? I think I have the red switches. I just have the, whatever the loudest ones are. I've had this keyboard. This was like a gift I got for myself when I started my internship years ago. It's a crazy cleaning, but I love it. It is so good to me. Intel processor, Gator. I got an i7. I know there's a way to pull up all stats or like hardware. That's why I was trying to see. Oh, that's what it is. Neo Fetch. What? Oh, look, well, we also have to run sudo pacman. That's why you would update everything. Oh. I'm in the root. Alright, I gotta go. I will be back on though in a little bit. Intel processor though. What up, Gabriel? Yeah, I'll be back on in like an hour. But yeah, I mean we got it running now. At this point, we just gotta connect to the internet. Update everything, will rock. But until then,